What's up everyone, my name's Garrett. I'm a full-time seven-figure Amazon seller, and in today's video I want to go over what is going to be the best strategy for retail arbitrage in 2023. Now, I've been doing retail arbitrage now for at least 5+ years, and I've seen a lot of different kind of ways that retail arbitrage has kind of transformed over the years. It used to be super simple, super easy. You go into the store, you just find tons of stuff, but now it's kind of more of like a calculated, you have to have a strategy behind doing retail arbitrage if it's something that you want to do and pursue as a full-time living, right? You can't just go in and wing it anymore. So pretty much in this video, I want to share my experiences, what's working for me now with getting a lot of inventory, and which is allowing my business to continue to grow and scale. And hopefully you can implement some of these things in your personal business, in your local market, because the same principles apply across the board and can be used pretty much anywhere. So let's get right on into it. The first thing I would recommend is really start doing your due diligence and being aware of what's working and what's getting you the most inventory, right? When you're going out sourcing, which stores are giving you the most profitable products, right? It might be discount stores, right? It might be the outlet malls. Start taking note of every time you start going to certain stores, you're seeing trends of, hey, this store, this location gets consistent shipments, they're getting consistent inventory, and I find a lot of good products here, right? And the reason we want to do this is so we can start to identify, what's going to be the best use of our time when we're doing retail arbitrage. We can start knowing, hey, these stores get shipments on these 3 days a week, so those might be the days you want to go and check out the store. You can create a consistent system where you can then follow that system and source the stores that you know are getting good products and leave you with the best results at the end of the day. So that's going to be the first thing. Take note, do your due diligence, and just really be aware of when you're sourcing, hey, this Ross at this location is always good. It gets a lot of great inventory. I'm gonna note that. Now that we know that, right, we're gonna start paying more attention to which stores are the most profitable. The next thing you're gonna wanna start doing is start visiting these stores on a consistent basis. And what this is going to allow you to actually do is start building relationships with the managers, with the employees at this store. And there's a lot of mixed feelings I feel in the community about building relationships, like kissing butt. But trust me guys, I've been doing this quite a while, and the stores I get the most inventory from are the stores that I have the best relationships with the people that work there. So definitely once you start identifying, hey, these are the spots, these are the stores that get the best product, I'm getting the most results from, start visiting those stores very frequently. Get to know the employees, even if it's just a quick, hey, remember them by their name. Hey John, how's it going? How you doing? They're gonna notice that, you notice them and you appreciate their hard work. And that can go a long way with just, being friends with people, being friendly, being a likable person, right? And to give you some further kind of proof that this works, right? There's one particular store that I have a very, very good relationship with, right? All the managers there love me, all the employees love me. And this one single location, one store, since I have such a great relationship with this store, they call me whenever they get shipments. They call me whenever they get new stuff. They know I'm the guy that's gonna come help them clear out inventory, right? This one store I did over $500,000 in revenue with in the last 12 months from one single location, right? That's big. That could be someone's full-time income, right? Let's say on the low end, your profit margin at the end of the day is 15%, right? That's what, a $70,000 profit per year location from one retail arbitrage store, right? Just because you built that foundation, you built that relationship with the people that work there, they like you, they know you, you help them, they help you, and it's kind of a mutual relationship, right? And that's what I mean by building relationships, because eventually you will start to get connections. You're gonna be well connected in your local area as a buyer, and some stores don't like buyers, some stores do, some stores don't get a lot of business, and they love to have you come and help them clear out inventory. So building those relationships can really set a solid foundation in your business. Even if it's just 1 or 2 stores, it makes sourcing a lot more consistent, right? 500K from one store, if that's good enough for some people, you don't even have to hit any other stores. That could be your one relationship, and you can just kind of dibble and dabble in other relationships. So the third strategy, guys, is, if you're doing online arbitrage as well, Online arbitrage is a great place to find products that you can actually get in store too. And sometimes you can only get them in store because they're always sold out online. So definitely if you're someone who does online arbitrage, or you just would rather kind of have a plan going out and sourcing, which I definitely recommend, have a list of products you're looking for. Start searching online. You know, maybe when you're sitting at home, you just got off of work, you're done with dinner, you have some extra time, just go online, try to find some products for, say, hey, on my way home, I'm gonna make a little route and I'm gonna go pick these products up, and who knows, we might find some more products in the clearance section on the way home. That way, you know, you're not just winging it going into these stores, right? That's a big thing. You used to be able to wing it. You could go into Walmart, you'd find tons of clearance. You can go into Marshall's, find tons of products. But nowadays, it's very hit or miss. It's very spotty. So knowing that, hey, you have these locations, you know, that get products. 2, you start building those relationships so products really start coming to you, right? And 3, you have products that you're already looking for. So you have a strategy and a plan, so you know that time's not being wasted. So those are the 3 things and 3 kind of strategies that I've personally implemented in my own business. Works very well for me, works very well for a ton of my students. I have students just crushing it with certain stores. They've built up great relationships. They have that consistent flow of inventory coming in. And it's just something I wanted to share with you guys going into 2023. We're 9 days in. Start implementing these things. Be consistent with it. That's the most important thing. Don't just do it for a week, 2 weeks. Do it for months. Do it for the entire year, and watch how your kind of retail arbitrage side of your business transforms in 2023. But that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. If you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. I post a ton of Amazon content here, and I love helping you guys out. Also, if you want to check out my free training, I host one every single Sunday. So if you want to attend that, definitely get registered down in the link in the description. But other than that, guys, let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video.